Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I apologize that I haven't been posting in a long time. I just felt a little demotivated, I guess. I've been doing something else, which is Super Mario 64 modding, which I'm going to teach you how to do today. Now, you're going to need a Z64 ROM, which I cannot provide because that is legal. And you're also going to need SF64 ROM Manager, which I will provide. Link in the description. So, yeah. Once you have those two, all you need to do is just set it up and input your ROM with the open ROM button, and then just click on this. Right. So for the first tutorial, I'm just going to be teaching the basics, how to import your own level, because that's the first thing we're going to do. Right. So the first thing you want to do, just I'm going to make this quicker and easier. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to go on tweaks from the module section and do search up skip. Then you do skip opening. I click apply, that'll work. So that just skips the Peach cutscene, so I can just show you quicker and easier. I'll explain what patches, I'll explain what tweaks are maybe later in the tutorial series, but right now we're just gonna focus on making a level. So the thing you want to do is also have Blender. Blender is easier to use. You can also use SketchUp, but you're gonna need an OBJ exporter, so that is going to be something you're gonna have to do. Either way, you open up Blender, right? I'm not gonna make a full-on level, but you should at least have some experience with Blender, know how to model basic stuff, right? So right now we're just gonna stick with this cube, and we're just gonna export it as an OBJ. So yeah, I am going to call this. Put it on my desktop. I'm just gonna call it um cube dot obj. Oh, obj. Right, and I'm just gonna exit it. Then I want to go on tutorial, and then I want to go on level manager, which is how, of course, you manage the levels. As you can see right here, it says add level slash area, which you click add level. Now, this replaces a level. You can't add very new levels. It has to replace one. So I'm just going to overwrite Bomb on Battlefield. That's just what I feel like doing, and that's the one that showed up. So you can select other ones, but I just feel like doing Bomb on Battlefield right now. So then we click add area, which is how we get the visuals and stuff. So visual map right here. You just click load, which, all right, so I did that real quick. So as you can see, our thing is in here. Let's just center the model. Then we just click convert. So now as you can see, we have area 1 in here. Now we can just click area editor. This, you can adjust the music. So how about we can also give it, let's see, the, ooh, I don't know, Piranha Plant Lullaby. That's a really good one. So let's just click area editor. You can see our little cube in here, right? What we want to do is put the Mario start point, because as you can see, we have a little object that says warp Mario start 1. When we move this up, you could see now it goes up here. Now the reason we want to move this up here is so Mario doesn't spawn in the cube and die immediately. Now that we have this up here, now he spawns in this direction because the arrow is pointing this way, and he will fall onto the cube since it also loaded the collision with the visual map, which is how he collides and what he sees. So if we just click Control S, which is how we save, you can see the little loading thing right there. Now we can close this out and we can click Control S again. Now, you're also going to need Project 64 or any Z64 ROM loader, which I already have, so I'm just going to do Launch ROM, right? Just going to click OK. And this should load, if I'm correct. I use Parallel Launcher. As you can see, our ROM loads, right? Fully click enter, select a new file. As you can see, this immediately skips the opening because I applied that tweak. You could do it if you want to also, but yeah, it also makes it so you don't have to talk to Lakitu or Lakitu, whatever you want to call him. I don't know. I've never really known what to call him. Once we go in here, go into Bomb Battlefield, right? You can see a little star select. Now we go here. And we have a custom level, right? Pretty cool if I would say so myself. And you can do lots of cool stuff with this. Now, in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you about objects and enemies, all that different cool stuff, like stars and stuff, how to put stars in your level instead of just having a random cube, you know? So, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.